Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl the Empress, and you know we have to do the whole acting like I'm cute, acting like I'm seductive. This is just not for me type thing, but you know it's what's going on right now, so let me give it a try and whatever. Big up yourself to this video's winner. If you want to be featured too, don't forget to screenshot this video and share it on your IG story and tag me at the Empress and comment on this week's video. Okay? So today I'm going to do a step-by-step dark skin makeup glam, and this is going to be detailed, so don't forget to watch the video in its entirety and you will learn my little tips and tricks and all of that jazz. Okay, smash that subscribe button, smash it, and thank you in advance. So I'm using my LA Girl Pro concealer. It is very inexpensive and it's at the beauty supply store. Don't worry, it's also in fawn. Now if you want to have your eyebrows looking crisp, you use a flat brush and then you go ahead and clean it up with a fluffy brush. Now I take my time so that it comes out crisp. You know, I like it very detailed and to, you know, perfection. So just take your time, guys, no rush, and it will just come out so beautifully. There you go, crisp. Now I'm going in with my NARS foundation. It's very lightweight, so it's good for your skin. Makes your skin breathe. It feels like it's not cakey at all. This is another trick. Now if you put water on your beauty blender, it makes it so much easier. It just blends everything seamlessly and it just works. I tell you, if you see how I'm enunciating this voiceover and how I'm using my gestures, you would think I'm in front of you personally, but guess what, we're all family here. So guess what, you know, I'm with you, you're with me, hey, and all that good stuff. So don't forget to blend and blend and blend. You don't want to look like a, what do you call it, corpse. Blend everything out, sweetheart. Okay, so this is a darker one. This is a darker LA Pro in Cocoa. I'll leave the link in the description below, as well as all the details as to what I used. This, I put it along my jawline underneath my cheekbone so I could get that nice cut, so I look like I'm having a facelift, but really I'm not. So I'm using my Urban Decay All Nighter spray to spray on my cheekbones. That will make my highlight pop more. So I'll put my highlighter on top of my setting spray. Also, this setting spray is good, girl. As it said, all nighter. It will make your makeup stay all night and it will not budge. Okay? Crazy girl. Hey, good girl. Wine your body, girl. Good girl. Wine your body, girl. Good girl. Wine. Hey. Broke it up. Broke it up. Hey. Broke it up. Hey. Break it. So this is the look from all angles, and I hope you like it, and I hope it was informative for you. Don't forget to tell me what your thoughts are in the comments down below, and also have a great day, and I love you, and I appreciate you spending your time with me.